I made an interactive whiteboard lesson for first graders to learn about nouns and verbs. A noun is a person, place, or thing, and these are some examples and images. Verbs are action words or something you do, and these are some examples, images at the bottom for the students to associate with. As a class, we would talk about different types of nouns, and they would be able to give examples. A person may be a boy, and I would use the pointer on the board to write this, and it would look a lot prettier. A place may be school, and a thing may be a pencil. And then we would write a few more examples, and the kids would raise their hands and interact with the lesson. Next, I have a video for action verbs, and then it is embedded and would play. It's 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Also, I have a link to a video on nouns. If the kids are a little confused and need more clarification, this takes it right to the YouTube video. And then I would X out of that. After watching the video, the kids would be able to list action verbs. We would run, so one example, and fly, and they would be able to come up with a list. And it would get them talking and excited. For our interactive activity, the kids would take the pointer and click on one of the stars, drag it, click on it, it'll show a word, and it might be a noun or a verb, and the kids will drag it to the correct container box, and when it goes to the correct one, it will make a sound. So school is a noun, and I've done it correctly. Click on the star. A picture is a noun. And then swim is a verb. So if I try to put it in nouns, it's not going to make the sound. So I want to put it in the verbs, and it reinforces the correct answer. And the kids would just take turns, and they would get to test and see if they know what nouns and verbs are based on what we've practiced as a class. For my assessment, I have an activity to drag the correct word under each picture. These rectangle boxes are draggable, and it leaves it in. So a stop would be a verb, walk would be a verb. So it would go there, and noun would be an I. And they would do this. A dog would be a noun. And that's how that works. And this will just quickly assess if they know what a noun and verb is. And these are my resources. Thanks for watching.